Nothing in this world can ever make a clinic business fail unless its practices are not good or it not memorable. Today, it's time for a story of a decade-old accredited Melbourne medical clinic that was essentially invisible in the digital-first world. They had everything they needed for a luxury business to progress: a central location, a well above high-end strict standards. But despite that, their marketing strategy kept them trapped in a cycle of generating only 3 to 4 leads per month, which were all basically junk. There was a time when smart campaigns devoured their entire budget and all they produced were easily published the ads rather than actually fruitful ads. Those ads gave them ease of use over the actual return on investment. But barely 3 months in, we have actually fixed their account and scaled it from 4 week leads to 95 genuine leads monthly with a staggering cost per conversion of only 7.80. Working for this client raised one critical question that every business owner must answer to realize where their PPC campaigns stand. Is your automated marketing actually working for your business, or is it a black hole for your budget? Hi, my name is Amy and I have transformed the PPC journeys of over 5,000 clients in various industries. Our client had a Melbourne-based medical clinic that served the local community for a decade. Their clinic is managed from South Bank, Melbourne, and is accredited by quality practice and strict standards. Their clinic provided a range of medical services like ECG, heart assessments, blood tests, blood pressure checks, STI checks, spirometry, smoking cessation, weight management, flu vaccination, and so on. Over the years, they even designed health programs to fit the needs of each patient and use advanced technology to improve the diagnosis. Combine the best treatment for the needy with the cost-effective care by allowing mixed billing and bulk billing options. This made healthcare accessible to so many more people. But their clinic just stayed invisible. Frustrated, the client comes to us and asks us to revive the dead clinic. With barely a first look at this client's ad account, we have noticed something very important. The campaigns were running, but they were not set up in the right way. The campaigns was using only the smart campaigns, and their smart campaigns were also not properly optimized. A few headlines, a few descriptions, and some images. The keywords were broad and true, and no negative keywords with half-hearted tracking. Because of this, the results were bound to be weak. The client was only getting around 3 to 4 leads per month, and most of those leads were even fake calls of only 10 to 15 seconds. Imagine spending money every month and only getting a handful of phone calls that do not even turn into the real patients. That was the situation. Upon access, we ran an audit and then explained the gaps to our client. The campaigns were too basic, the targeting was too wide, and there was no way to measure the real performance. So now the first step was to build the new structure. So we have set up the proper tracking through the GA4 and the GTM. This allowed us to measure the phone call, the form submission, and every important action on the website. This was important because without tracking, we could not know anything about the campaign. So next, we have researched the keywords carefully. Instead of the broad term, we have focused on the most relevant search phrases that match the client services. We have created the ad groups with the clear themes, used phrase match and exact match keywords, and added negatives to block the irrelevant traffic. This way, the ads would only show to those people who were truly interested in the services. We have also checked the demographics and the devices. By analyzing that data, we have adjusted the bids so the budget was spent where it mattered the most. For example, if the mobile users were converting better, we have increased the bid for the mobile phones. So if the certain age groups were not engaging, we have reduced the spending over there. So after these optimizations, we knew the core of these ads was fixed. Hence, we took a a further step and tested different ad copies with the A/B split testing. This means we have created multiple versions of the headlines and description and compare them to see which one performed better. So over the period of time, this gave us the clear insights into what messaging attracted the patients the most. In addition to search campaigns, we have tested a performance max campaign connected to the client's business Google business profile. This allowed the user to find the direction, read reviews, and get more information directly from the Google Maps. It also helped the clinic collect more reviews, which built trust and improved the visibility. And do you know the results these changes produced? Instead of just 3 to 4 week leads, the client started generating around 95 genuine leads every month. The cost per conversion dropped to only 7.80 and the conversion rate improved significantly. With soft tricks, in less than 800 Australian dollars, our client received 95 genuine queries. This case study shows how the right ad strategy can transform the results and bring dead channels back to life. With proper structure, tracking, keyword research, and testing, a struggling account turned into a strong lead generating machine. The client so now has a steady flow of patients, better visibility, and more trust in their online presence. So now, if there is anything you need to learn over here, it is the ads alone are not enough. You need the right setup, you need the right tracking, and you need the right optimizations. When you combine these elements, you can achieve amazing results just like this clinic did. If your business is also facing the challenges in the pay-per-click world, whether it's poor returns, tracking issues, or something quietly killing your leads across Google AdWords, Facebook ads, or the other platform, you can reach out to us. Contact us through our website or drop us a message on WhatsApp at this number. We will provide you with a quick audit of your Google AdWords account and share a clear plan of action that will help your business achieve the results it really deserves. Thank you for watching the video.